Nowadays, common room is of great use to all the students. But there are not enough facilities in your school common room. Now, write an application to your headmistress to increase your common room facilities. আজকাল ছাত্র ছাত্রীদের জন্য কমন রুম অত্যন্ত দরকারি। কিন্তু তোমাদের বিদ্যালয়ের কমন রুমের পর্যাপ্ত সুযোগ সুবিধা নাই। এখন কমন রুমের সুযোগ সুবিধা বাড়ানোর জন্য প্রধান শিক্ষিকার কাছে একটি আবেদনপত্র লেখো। আনস 5 মার্চ 2025। The Headmistress, Hazaribagh Girls High School, Dhaka. Subject: Application for increasing modern facilities for the school common room. Madam, with due respect, I, on behalf of the students of Class V, beg to state that our school has a common room for the students. This room is spacious and airy, but it lacks modern facilities. There are no fans and water supply in the room. Moreover, very few sitting arrangements have been made. The condition becomes serious in the hot summer days. We badly need distillery water facility in the common room. Therefore, we hope that you would be kind enough to make the arrangements mentioned above and help solve this long-standing problem. Sincerely yours, Sumona Hack Class V, roll number 01 on behalf of the students of Hazaribagh Girls High School, Dhaka.